Hey everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today in this video, I'm going to review about a pen tablet. If you are someone who is teaching online, maybe with your school students, your tuition students, or maybe on any portal, so I'm going to review the pen tablet, which can work as a boon for you. Because when we teach online, so initially maybe you can go for a basic setup, but as you start earning, you want to bring professionalism in that. You need to enhance, or you can say you need to advance your setup, and you can go for a pen tablet. So this is a pen tablet which I am using from last 1.5 years. When this pandemic started in March 2020, that time I purchased this one because I'm a chemistry teacher. I do need to write the formulas, so it was very difficult to share the screen and type the formulas out. So I invested in this pen tablets. It was not so expensive. I will share the screenshot here of the price. I bought it from Amazon. This is the tablet of the company Huion, and the model number is H950P. So this is a tablet I'm using. It's so convenient, good handwriting, and you can use and connect it easily. Along with this, I received this pen, and this is a stand. In this stand I included these around 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pins, because when we use it frequently, so this one need to replace with time when we will use this much. But till now, from last 2 years, I'm using the same one, the pin, but they have given some extra pins, and these are present in this holder, and you can just leave it like this. So this is the basic accessories, and they have given this cable along with that to connect with your laptop. So now I'll start from the installation. When you will receive this setup, how you can install in your laptop and how you can work with it. So let's start the whole process. So what I have to do, I will just type on Google the company name Huion, and then I will type the model number. It's Huion H950 and P. So this is a tablet driver. So this is there. So I'm going to do it now. Yeah, so what I have to do, I have to scroll down. These are the download drivers and user manual. So I click here, and I'm going to do, yeah, this is the one which they are showing it to me, this one, the product, and then I'm going to do log. These are given all the, because this is a given option for Windows and Mac. So I'm using Mac, so I'll go for this one. I'll go for the driver which is updated on 31st May 2021. So I'll go for this. I click on downloading. It's downloading here. Open when done. So it's showing it is here. Okay, so as it get downloaded here, I can see in my applications, this is here. Okay, so it get downloaded. I'm going to open it now. Open. Okay, so the device is disconnected. So let's now connect it with the laptop. Okay. So now I think it's connected with this. Let me see. So I have given access to it. Now I'm ready to use it. I think it's connected now. Okay, now these are the this one, you can use the shortcut. These are the buttons given here. You want to use it to press space, enter, and then go right, left. So you can use all these. You can set your shortcuts from this one. So without I will not set up, I'll just continue now. So with the help of this, I can write on anything. I'll choose a PowerPoint. I need to go to draw, and I need to select any color pen from here. So I open the PowerPoint. So what I have to do to write, I need to click on draw. As soon as I click on draw, these are the pen option. I can choose the color here. Maybe I want to write with the black pen, and here I can choose the size of the pen. You write with that, so it will write big. If you choose the smaller one, so I can write like hello students, like this. I want to draw anything, maybe I want to draw a graph, like I can use like a normal notebook, or maybe you just want to correct. It can work in PowerPoint, it can work on a picture, it can work on a PDF. Everything where you will get a draw option, it will work. You can choose different colors from here. Maybe you want to correct the students' work, you can do it. I'll show you. I've corrected some of my student work, how I did that. You can see the students have done the work, and now I can write it down, correct them with the help of, and I can send them back. So I'll do recommend it to buy. Again, I want to mention, this is not a sponsor video. I hope it would be, but this is not a sponsor video of huion. This is my genuine review, what I'm using. I'm just sharing the experience with you, and I'm using this one from last 1.5 years, and I'm facing absolutely no problem at all with this. You let me know in the comment box if you want to know a rest about how to use it with other softwares, other applications, this pen tablets. So that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video for whatsoever reason, give me a thumbs up. Have a nice day. Bye bye.